finding arc measures. In order to find an arc measure, you need to be able to figure out what the central angle is. A central angle is an angle at the center of a circle or whose vertex is at the center of the circle. Okay. In the diagram, and we can't see that, but you can slow down the video to distinguish between a minor arc and a major arc. Briefly, minor arc measures less than 180 degrees. Major arc is more than 180 degrees. If an arc measure is 180 degrees, that means that is a semicircle. Let's look at this example here. The measure of arc AB is 50 degrees. So that's the minor arc, and the measure of angle ACB, the major angle here, is 360 minus 50, so that's 310. Therefore, the measure of major arc ADB is 310 degrees. Okie dokie. If two arcs are adjacent, in other words, if they share a common endpoint, and over here we see that the red arc and the black arc share endpoint A, therefore arc AC and arc AB are adjacent. We may add their measures to find the measure of arc. ABC. Actually, I would like to say the measure of arc CAB here. So measure of arc CAB equals measure the arc. Oh, I stand corrected. I see how they've measured major arc ABC. So let me repeat that, and I'm going to highlight it. This is the arc whose measure we are finding. Measure of arc ABC is measure of arc AB plus the measure of the blue arc. And now it looks green. That didn't work too well. But anyway, it was supposed to be blue. Measure of arc BC. Okie doke. This is like the segment addition postulate. This is a pretty simple section actually. Two circles are congruent if they have the same radii. That's obvious. Two arcs are congruent arcs if they have the same measure. So if two arcs have the same measure of say 40 degrees in a circle, let me just draw a little picture here. So if you have, oh, that's not very good, is it? Because that doesn't look like the center of the circle. So let's go in here and let's insert a shape and let's get a circle. Come on, circle, where are you? That's probably a circle. And if I have a circle, that's not working too well. So let's try by hand again. Okay. So if I have a circle and this is the center, and if I have this arc measure is 40 degrees and I have another arc 40 degrees, then what I can say is that okay, stop. These two arcs are congruent. Now if you had alternatively, we're also saying, I'm not having much luck with this today, am I? If you have two congruent circles and you have two arcs in that measure the same, So if their measures were 50 degrees each or something, then those arcs would be congruent also. Okay, and I think these problems are fairly simple. So go ahead and try them out. I just want to make sure that I got the numbers on one of the aha. So let me fill these numbers in. This is 30 degrees. This is 90 degrees. It doesn't look like it, but it's supposed to be 80 degrees, 60 degrees, and 100 degrees. Now this is for ages 0 through 4. This is ages greater than 65. This is 45 to 64. 15 through 17 and 17 through 44. Okay. All right. So go ahead and try the examples and good luck.